Hello everyone, thank you Fabrizio. Let me very quickly also log into my laptop. Thank you for being here. We are very, very excited to be with you. We've been working on something very amazing the last few months, and we are looking forward to share it with you. We also have the team here, so I think congratulations to all of you. In the last few months, what we are doing is that we took the main idea of OpenClaw, and then we tried to build it bottom up. Why? Because we wanted to make sure that it's safe and secure. We built it within our own proprietary technology, within our platform, which was already enterprise ready, to be able for everyone to use it. You don't need to install anything, you don't need to make any update, it just works. Second, we built it in a way that is simple, no code. Our proudest users are those that they had no idea what OpenClaw is before, because they just go there, they type something, and then they see the result. It's built for non-engineers, and everyone now can actually become a builder. What is more important is that we took the power of ToqanClaw, and now everyone can build AI applications on top of it. So you can build your own applications and share it with everyone else. Now everyone is becoming a builder. This is super exciting for us. Finally, it's made in Europe, and I think we are the first that we did such a big project and product release in Europe that brings this type of technology at this scale. Now, what's very important is that when everyone becomes a builder, then you start seeing all the different applications being pop up. So then you can see the power that giving a powerful tool in the hands of a lawyer, an accountant, finance person, an engineer, a marketeer, HR, you can start seeing thousands of solutions becoming a reality. What we have seen is that building an application now, it takes literally 2 minutes. You will see it later. And building a presentation and sharing it, also 2 minutes. And by the way, most of the cases, now we are not using presentations anymore. We are just going and using HTML and websites because it's a much more powerful way to communicate information. It's much more live. We see generating real-time dashboards. There are lots of use cases that people are creating traffic and traffic dashboards where they can see the weather, or they can see all the different type of real-time information that they want to be able to monitor so that they can optimize better their logistics or their operations. Finally, you can connect ToqanClaw with your Slack or with your WhatsApp, and then ToqanClaw can send you a briefing recommending you to take specific actions. And all these are actually connected to our own context. So Prosus now is an AI native company because everything that we do is being connected to our data, and our insights is being elevated into Toqan, and then ToqanClaw decides what is the best way to utilize this information. It can help you take a decision, or it can help you ask you a question if you're ready for the next step. To make it a little bit more concrete, because so far it's slides, we would like to show you some demos.